Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. With each breath, feel your body becoming lighter, calmer, and more at peace. You are exactly where you are meant to be. Right now, you are safe, supported, and deeply loved by the universe. Let your thoughts slow down. Imagine a soft golden light entering through the top of your head, filling every part of you with warmth and healing energy. This light relaxes your mind, your heart, your body, and your soul. Every thought you choose is creating your reality. When you choose peace, your energy rises. When you choose gratitude, your vibration becomes higher. When you choose love, your frequency matches the divine energy of creation. See yourself surrounded by a glowing golden aura. This aura is expanding around you, protecting you and attracting abundance. Feel how powerful, limitless, and aligned you are. In this moment, nothing is missing. Everything you desire is already on its way to you. Repeat silently in your mind, I am calm, I am powerful, I am worthy of love, success, and happiness. I attract abundance with ease. I am aligned with the highest frequency of the universe. Every cell in my body vibrates with light and positivity. Allow these affirmations to sink into your subconscious mind. Feel them becoming your new truth, your new reality. From this moment forward, you carry this high frequency within you, guiding you in every action